And we have a number of two-year diplomas as a credential type. And these are great for new learners in the field as well. So if you're coming straight out of high school or you're coming into IT for the first time, they're a short duration as well. You know, that 2 years goes by pretty quickly. They're great for pathway-oriented learners as well. And what I mean by that is we have a number of pathways or routes for you to go from this two-year diploma into one of our degrees as well. So if you want to start with a diploma, find that you love it, you're really excelling in it, and then you want to go for that degree at the end, you can pathway into one of our degrees and save yourself some time that way. Again, international students looking to seek Canadian credentials is a great pathway to come in to get a quick credential as well in the IT space. And also just career starters. So people who want to get into industry quickly. You don't want to be in school for a long time. You're not thinking about research or any longer term educational goals. You just want to learn something. You want to get into industry and start making things. Two-year diplomas are a great path for that. The first one I'll start with is computer programming. So it's a two-year diploma specializing in, as you might imagine from the name, computer programming, software development, creating applications. Really focus on that business application type of thing that you see. Software is everywhere these days. It's not just your video games. You know, big banks, insurance companies, these big corporations, they all have their own software that they need to create, develop, maintain, and work with. And you really specialize in this program. So if you're looking to develop something, you want to just jump onto an operating system, onto a computer, and start going, this is a great program for you. It's less concerned about how a computer works, but it's more concerned about let's learn to program in a bunch of different programs. Let's work on the web. Let's work with databases, and let's build something. Software engineering technician is another one of our two-year diplomas. Also focus in the software development realm, but it teaches you more about embedded systems, lower level, closer to the mechanics of a computer. You'll learn about how an operating system works, how a computer system architecture is created, so you can create pieces of application that are more specialized to pieces of hardware that you're building on. So it's not just I'm working on Windows to build a business application. You can really build specialized things. So it's a great program if you're also interested in software development, but you might be more on the techer side and you want to learn more about how a computer functions and how it works and how I can really specialize my software.
Computer programming, but with that hyphen data management. In this program, it's a 2-year, again, diploma. It will focus on data, which is, one of the main drivers that we see now in the world of AI in particular. This program also has that pathway into a degree program focusing in the data management area in particular. You're going to learn some programming aspects, but really you're going to change your focus into managing data, how to do backup recovery, how to manage the database systems, how to incorporate them into the decision-making processes. You're going to gain a lot of experience along with this technical training. But again, it's a great pathway for those people who want to deal with data and understanding and helping to resolve issues for different companies, utilizing data as its main source of information.